So hi guys! Like after like grabe ilang years, I'm back. I'm back making contents. But in another persona, no. So I'm not the content creator that I do did first in this channel, no. So I am this new. Grabe naman, new ano ka? Sino ka? So yun, no. So hi guys, so I will introduce myself. My name is Daya B. Thick, also known as Poki Daya, for this channel. So yeah, so I will be the persona that you will be encountering. Ano ka Pokemon, no? So I will be the persona na makikita nyo for the rest of this channel, no? So this is my new niche and my new like content. And then I merge everything that I like into one. And there's me. I'm your girl. Ay, si Mimia yun. I'm your Poke Trainer. May Poke Trainer, hindi ka ganyan. So I am a drag queen. Not really like big drag queen that you know, no. So I am a bedroom drag queen when in pandemic, no. The pandemic time, I'm a bedroom pandemic. Bedroom drag queen, no. So I did like drag as an like a form of entertainment before at the time. No? So yeah, so here are my new niche, like collecting Pokemon cards. So I really like Pokemon cards and I really like Korean. So that's why I made this new entire niche for my channel. No? So I got three, no? Tatlo una, drag. Pangalawa, K-pop, Korean, and everything about Korean. Pangatlo is I really love Pokemon. So I did combine these three into one, and so there is my channel. No, I am a drag queen that collects Korean Pokemon cards. Yon. So a drag queen that collects Korean Pokemon cards. So far, di ka ganyan. So yan. So again, no, so quick, not quick, no. Story time lang naman. Yun nga, back to my agenda, no. So I will be explaining everything, no. So ayun, my entire new niche is this one, Pokemon cards. So I really like since I was a child, no. So I already explained this like story dun sa isang video ko. So since I was a child, I did like really like Pokemon cards or in Pokemon entirely, but I didn't really have the outlet to become like to watch the anime fully at that time kasi di pa ganung uso yung internet, girl. Grabe. Nung bata pa ako, ano pa lang, infrared at bluetooth lang meron. Grabe. So ano, at the time yun nga, I don't have really like the full outlet to watch like the anime. So that's why ngayon like bumabawi talaga ako. There are 7 seasons and spin-offs and everything, no. Dami kong habuling panood rin, no. So I really did watch the whole X and Y, and then I did watch the Sun and Moon, and then ngayon I've been binge watching Sword and Shield, or hindi naman siya, alam ko hindi talaga siya like more on the Sword and Shield era. So more ano siya, journey siya sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ni Ash, no. Pero ando naman na-introduce naman si Galar region doon sa Master Journey as a journey. So Journeys, Master Journeys, and Ultimate Journeys, no. So nasa second part pa ako sa Master Journeys. So tapos ko siya, no. And then I'll move on. Di ko muna papanoorin yung Scarlet Violet kasi hindi pa siya natapos, no. So I'll go back Black and White. Gusto kong panoorin si Black and White kasi maganda yung Gen 5, lalo na yung mga Pokemon sa Gen 5. And then lalo na si Reshiram and Zekrom, I really like Black and White, no, na color. So I really want to watch Black and White. And then may site naman ako nakita sa internet na pwedeng manood doon. So yun. So malapit ko siya matapos si Master Journeys, and then susunod din si Ultimate Journeys. After nun, manood ako ng Black and White, no. So hindi naman ganun kabilis manood matapos, no. Kahit sabihin natin na 20 minutes lang per episodes. Pero girl, ang daming episode. No, nasa ano na ako, episode 78. No bro, daming 100 plus yung episode. So yun. So back to the ano, so yun yung ano ko sa Pokemon, no. So since yun bata ako, and then na-stop lang siya kasi yung mga cards ko, di ko na alam kung saan nawala yung cards ko. Pero as what I remembered, the last thing that I remembered about the card that I have before, and I think all of the cards are fake. I really think na fake yung cards ko before. Last time na paghalala ko ay ginunting ko yung picture, like yung picture ito, ginunting ko siya, nilagay, pinis ko siya sa notebook. Ewan ko anong sumakang sa isip ko, bakit nilagay ko siya, ginanon ko siya, no. Pero ay kiber na lang doon kasi I think all of them are fakes, especially nung nasa ano na ako, grade schools, especially nung nasa grade school na ako, like grade 5, grade 6, doon talaga ako I've met a classmate na fan sa Pokemon din, and then we found, kung alam niyo yung Unicity or Unitap, yun kami ganun sa before. And then may nakita kaming ganun doon, pero alam talagang fake talaga yung ano, yung cards kasi 'di ba, yung totoo talaga is on the foil packs. So ayun. And then on the drag side, pandemic, so I started falling in love with drag pandemic times. So I really love drag at the time. Like I binge watch every season, like lahat ng season talaga pinanood ko from season 1 hanggang sa latest season at the time, season 13, and then sa mga other franchises, I really watch everything, no. So yun lang yung nagpa-stay alive sa akin nung pandemic, and then that's why na kay Diabetic, my drag persona. Ayan, here she is. Actually, iba-iba yung wig ko. So, lahat ng ibang wigs, yung dalawang wigs ko pa ay, ayun, medyo tinapon ko na sila. No? Nag-declutter ako last year kasi nag-stop ako sa paggagawa ng content, or not really content, like entertaining as a drag queen, bedroom drag queen, 2023, and then 2024, I gradually stopped kasi I was really busy and focused on my work and personal things. So, yun. No? So, ngayon, kahit na busy pa rin, ay yun, dahil gusto ko itong ginagawa ko, I really want to do this, no. So here I am again, no, in front of you na. So I didn't really have like any videos about me doing drag or about me in drag, no, kasi I didn't really post anything. I really wanted to post anything or everything about me in drag at that time, but I was really too lazy, like for editing and everything, no. Buti na lang ngayon I discovered CapCut, no. So CapCut is really like helpful for me. Na even though na yung mga videos ko hindi lang ganun kabongga, ang daming sound effects, ang daming effects, ganyan. Pero yun nga, it was really helpful for me, no. At that time kasi 2018-19 that era, ginagamit ko is KineMaster or KineMaster, or yung isa pa video something, no. Power video something, no, yung damang yun na may ano pa dito, may watermark pa dito, grabe. So yun yung gamit at the time, and then my phone was really like a power to my phone ngayon, no. So yun, so throughout pandemic I did like bedroom drag entertainment on live streaming, like the B app and the K app before, if you know what I mean. So, ewan ko if it's still existing up until now, yung dalawang yun. Pero I think the B app, nag-ano pa rin siya, functioning pa rin siya ngayon. I didn't really go back there. So, I made a lot of friends there, no. So, I hope they still remember me, no. So, yun. And then Korean, like, I started this channel, like, Korean related, everything about Korean, no. So, yun naman. And then I combined again the three, and here I am. Toki Daya. Yun nga lang, wala akong Pokeball, no. I need to order one, no, para grabe, no. So ayun guys. So I hope guys, no, supportahan niyo ako. Para naman di masayang yung effort ko. Girl, 1 hour and 1.5 hour ko tong ginawa yung paggumukha ko, tapos hindi mo mapang-oren. Hindi ka ganun. Grabe, hindi ka po kailangan ganyan. Sofer ka. Love ka ni Lord. Hindi ka ganyan. I hope you like my video. And you know, subscribe to your girl, to your mother. Grabe mother, ginawa kong nanay. So subscribe to your favorite Pokemon drag queen collector. Trainer. Grabe, trainer. Hindi ka di-train. Ano ka aso? So ayun. So ayun na, subscribe to my channel. click the like button, and then, comment kayo. Comment ang gusto niyo. Kung wag niyo lang mag-bash. Grabe, binabash niyo. Huwag kayong mag-bash. Ano lang, support lang tayo dito. Hindi tayo magbabash. Di tayo pinanganak naman, masamang tao. Ganyan. Supportahan mo ako. Susumbong kita kay Tatay Digong. Charot. Uy, hindi DDS. Ganun. Hindi tayo mga political na tao. Ano lang tayo dito. Maganda lang. Grabe. Then guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video.